All right, today's Amatrol equipment tip for today is on the electrical wiring learning system. There's your model number. I went to a website called FastCap, and part of my training, which is not part of Amatrol's curriculum, is implementing 5S while you're doing technical work. So this board, you could see that I've added the tool arrangement that they give you in a toolbox. I put it on the front of the board, and it helps us keep track of where everything is. It's obvious when something's missing. I've done it also with their meter. This is the standard meter they give you. When that meter is out and in use, the bright yellow tag is there to get my attention. Lets me know that there's a meter missing for this board. And when they're messing with small parts, they will open these systems up. It's good to have some kind of a magnetic tray to hold all those screws so they don't lose it. On the back of this system, I took, if you're familiar with a French cleat system, I have a French cleat board that I bolted. I just used their existing hole that they had. And this is the toolbox that the system comes with. I can still have them take this toolbox. It just unhooks. There's your French cleat system right there. And now it just simply goes back into place. So when they are working, I do have them take the box onto the table. So they have other things that are located there. I gave them an inventory list so they can check to make sure they have everything back in place. And I'm using the last 2 digits of each of these inventory numbers. That's what's unique on each of these barcodes. And what I did with that was everything associated with this trainer is now labeled 48. So like here, my lockout tagout, all the locks are labeled 48, and the keys are labeled 48, and I'm using a magnet to hold that in the lid of the toolbox.